Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm out here trying to cut out a stand for a barbecue pit. Something kind of unique, similar to the one I did on the propane tank or the air compressor tank last time. This will be more for the same style of smoker that I normally make. I already got the chambers put together. I'm just trying to get the stand done now. I'm using a circle burner here to cut out this little pattern. It's kind of an X with a circle around it. Then just straight edging the little pieces out. It's not a hard piece to cut out, but it is time consuming with drawing it out on there and then cutting each little piece and everything. Here I'm getting a lip put around the edge. I'm using 1.5 inch flat bar for that. I started with bending them at first instead of cutting each piece, but by the time I got to that third bend I would be off enough that I would have to cut it anyway, so I'm doing like one bend in each one and then cutting it. This will be a part for the back side of the stand. It's a little shorter because it goes under the firebox. I'm doing a different pattern on the inside, but leaving the sides similar so that both sides are still kind of the same. This is a star, but it's still kind of the same deal. Starting with the circle burner and then straight edging out the little pieces. You can see the process is actually a lot slower when it's not fast forward. I ended up cutting the sides out of this too, you'll see here in a minute. But I didn't get video of cutting it. I'm sure this pattern you could probably get by with making a template out of if you were going to do it over and over. And there you can see how I cut the sides out. Here I'm just getting it put on the stand. The stand is a plate, and I already got holes drilled in for the wheels. I'm putting a lip on the bottom that connects those two. This one is a little different than that one on the compressor tank, because that tank is rounded and this one's more octagonal. So the stand's a little bit different. It doesn't stick out as much as it did on the other one. But that's also because I went under the firebox this time. Last time I didn't, and I ended up extending the wheels. So this just takes care of the problem before it happens. And that's where I'm at on it right now. I've got some little braces there, helping to hold it straight till I get the smoker on there. And this is one of the 30 by 18 reverse flows. You can't see it, but it'll have the side door on the opposite side there. It'll have bigger wheels when it's done. These are just what I had in the shop to put on there right then. Then just getting it welded on. I like to go around and tack all the corners first before I weld any of them, just so it don't pull anywhere. I'm breaking this video up into several different ones because it's going to take so long to do all the cutting and stuff. So I figured I'd just break it down into a few videos. That's going to pretty much do it on this one. I was just getting the stand lined out. The next one will probably be the smoke collector and the side door over there. I like to get that smoke collector on before I cut the chamber door. That'll pretty much do it on this one. Y'all come back for the next one. This should be up in probably tomorrow or so. And hopefully it won't take too long to get this thing lined out. But that'll do it on this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.